Welcome back to the next operating system platform video. Today we're looking at the installation and configuration of a DNS domain name server. So a domain name server basically is it maps IP address to a host name. Alright, so let's go on to our checklist. Alright, so first we have to do, we have to install a forward lookup zone. Then after that, immediately we install a reverse lookup zone. And then we create a host under the forward lookup zone, and we will test it using NS lookup. Let's straight into it. Over to our server, click start, administrative tools, DNS. On the forward lookup zone, we right click, new zone. Next, a wizard will open. We click choose primary zone. Next, we click our zone name. We'll call it department.com. Next, and then we click finish. Now, next step, we create a reverse lookup zone. Click new zone. Next, it's going to be a primary zone. So next, we're going to use the same replicated zone. Next, and then we're going to use the IP4 reverse lookup zone. So that's next. Now we enter our network IP, which is 192.168.1, and then click next. Click finish. That prompts us, that tells us that our zone already exists. That's because the zone was created before. So just click OK. Cancel. We go on to our forward lookup zone. Department.com, right click. Department.com, right click, and then we click new host. We name our host sales, and we get the IP address 192.168.1.80, and we add our host. Make sure this box says click create associate pointer, and we add our host. Our host has been added successfully. Click OK. And now for our final stage, we're gonna test our host and make sure we receive. We're gonna test our host and make sure it points to this IP address. So we right click on server, click launch NS lookup. We type in our host name, sales dot our zone name, department.com. Enter, and there we go. Salesdepartment.com, address 192.168.1.80. It is pointed to our address. So that's it for DNS server. I'll see you in our next video.